So let's continue with the print function. Print function has optional parts, actually. It's a very flexible function. So the first part is string or special characters, where we write the string we need to show. And the special characters can be used to format the numeric values. The string or the special part or the string part is followed by a comma if we need to add another data to print. For example, if we say print text, comma, another text this way. So as you see, it is going to print the result in this way. The percentage sign is separating between the string and the values which are going to be formatted using the special characters. The values also could be one value, it could be multiple values. Finally, we have a parameter which is used to control the end of the print. So if we need to stop at the line or continue for next line and so on. Now first, let's try the empty print command. So the empty print will yield empty line. As we saw, we can use print to print any value or variable. So if we say x equals to 8.0, so print x. By using either by just adding a simple text like x equals to and comma x, printing x equals and x without any formatting for the variable x. But also we can format x or the value printed by x by saying x equals to, and we add percentage, and because it is float value, so we percentage f, which is one of the special characters, and instead of the comma we use another percentage outside the string, and then we write the variable name. So in this case, if we print, you see the percentage f formatted the x and extended the decimal part of the variable. We can control that decimal part, for example, by saying print x equal percentage, but instead of typing f directly, we can add 0.2 f. Again, the percentage sign and x. So in this way, we control the number of decimal digits on the print. Also, we can add multiple outputs. For example, if we say print, so d is used as a special character for integers. Now, if we have multiple values to output, we should put them between two parentheses. So we can't put them separately. We need to combine them both in parentheses, but they are separated by commas. So if we say 6, so x and 6 is an integer, we can print the values in this way. Let's add a string, and string is percentage s. So s is the special character for strings, and we add to the list a string. For example, hello friend. So if we press enter, so in this way we put hello friend inside this page. So this way we can format the variables and constants by using the special characters. So a parameter end is not used frequently with print, but it's useful when we try to control whether the next print will be on the same line or in a new line. In order to see the effect of end, let's try to modify the script. So let's add so in this way, let's try to run the code. So we save and press F5 key. So it's waiting for the value, let's say 66. Now let's change the top and remove this \n, which means next line, and save and run the code. Again, let's give 66. Now, as you see here, we got the lines or the prints in the same line. So in this way, we can control the prints if, for example, we need to print matrices in the following lessons in this course.